Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make more of my mornings, and for me it's all about breakfast. I don't know about you, but in my house mornings are hectic and chaotic. Everybody's normally in a rush to get out of the door, so it's important for me to have something to just grab and go when I need to. So these are my raspberry muffins. We need to preheat our oven to 220 degrees. We're going to make our crumb. We start off with some melted butter. We put that in a bowl. Then a handful of oats, some sugar, a zest of a lemon. Then we just mix that up. Let's just set that to one side. We need to grab another bowl and we mix together our dry ingredients. We start off with the plain flour, some sugar, some baking powder, about a teaspoon of salt, just to get your whisk in and give it a little stir around. The most important ingredient with this recipe is yogurt, and the thicker the better. Arla Skyr is absolutely perfect for that because it's so thick. Look how thick that is. It doesn't even come off the spoon. I'll have to wait a while. Your batter won't be too runny, and that's really important. It's high in protein, low in fat. That's what's going to make this recipe that little bit healthier and something that you're not going to feel guilty about. Some oil. Next is some vanilla extract, lemon juice, 2 eggs, a little bit more lemon zest. Give that a light whisk. Once this is all nice and creamy, we're going to add in our flour straight into the wet ingredient. Fold it nice and gently. We add into our raspberries. So just fold these in quite gently. Got our muffin cases, and at this point I like to use one of these. Get a scoop, pop it into the muffin case. It smells incredible. This is really fun actually. I think kids might quite like to get involved in as well. Last ones. Go. So once we've got the batter in our muffin cases, we get our crumb. You just want to sprinkle a little bit on top of each one to start off with, just to make sure you've got enough. Once we've covered every muffin with our crumb, we're going to pop that into our preheated oven, 9 minutes at 220. After 9 minutes, we're going to drop that down to 180 for another 25, and then they should be ready. There we go, and if you can resist them for 10 minutes to let them to cool, they really are ready just to grab and go. This is how I like to eat mine. Dollop that. Yum.